Guys, you don't know how bad I need to go to the restroom. I have like 20 gazillion stoplights. What the heck? And this one's red! Alright guys, welcome back to another riding day with Dark. And today we have a little cars and coffees. I don't know if it's gonna be good or not. Hopefully it is. I need to go restroom and it's a little cold. I do not have thermals, so it's a little cold, guys. That guy's probably going. Not washed, so maybe he's not going. Cars and coffees, guys, please be good. Alright, are all the lights gonna be red or what? Ah! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright guys, time to look at the cars. There's a lot of people.
They just have to be adapted to the box. No, I think they should.
I want this car, guys.
That I know.
STO. There's a lot of people. I don't want to be talking loud. This one's nice, guys. Damn. I know you guys can see him. Twin turbo. That thing is nice. So far, this is my favorite right here, the blue one. I love the color of the purple. 720S. The M4 used to be my favorite, but now the M2, I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? The two-door M4 or this thing right here? They're both super nice. Another CO6. Damn, almost so. Another CO6. Alright, let's start with this. AMG. Wait, guys, are these B10s? No, right? I think they're V8s. I think they're V8s. Can you guys see this? Oh my gosh, this is a dream right here. And look at those tires. Oh my gosh. Nah, this thing's crazy. Alright, let's look at this. Thing's nice. I like this, the other gen. The one after this one, the newer one. But this one's still nice. Look at this thing. So the interior is a C5?
Yeah, like the internals, like the engine, the transmission, all that.
Oh wow, that's good. That's crazy work. It's a C1 with the C5 interior. Oh wow. All the Corvettes look nice, dude. But the fact that it's a C1 with the C5 interior, just something rare. Something you don't see often. Woo-hoo-hoo. two things, guys. Two things that you guys are gonna see in the future if you give track of my channel will be one of these and a fire blade, a 2023 fire blade. Hopefully one day though we'll have this in a fire blade. Ah, yeah.
Hello there.
Alright guys, we might be leaving. Damn. Making sure I'm recording? What is you doing? Behave. Trying to cover my ears, but oh yeah. Oh, this is a twin turbo one, guys. I thought this was a purple one, the STO, but I believe it's a twin turbo one. We're just waiting for the people in the back. Their tricycles on the twisties. They're too fast for me, guys. I need a 1K. It is too windy. Oh, it's too windy. I gotta go sideways. Oh no, I cannot compete. I cannot compete. Apparently, S1K versus Turbo Lambo. This is not full bolt on. Hey, you gonna race? Okay, apparently S1K versus Blue Twin Turbo Lambo, built by Chippy. We'll see though. I just want to record it. So if you see me line up next to them, I know I'm gonna lose, guys. I just want to record it. You don't want to race?
What are you smiling about?
Dude, I almost had you.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Well, what a banger of a video, huh, guys? I did not expect for it to be that good. My first video was supposed to be like that, but my camera died. I've only had one battery on it, and it died. But now we're more prepared. We got a little bit more experience with all this content thing, so it turned out good. I was more prepared now with extra batteries, even though I lost one my last video. I need to get more batteries though, but hey, I hope you guys enjoy. You already know what time it is. Like always, thank you so much for watching, and remember, it's free to be nice, guys, and let's try to earn that sunset today, guys. Peace.